Emma, go in my trail. Yeah, you'll go fast. Or go in Jim's trail, you'll go fast.
Yeah.
I smell a skunk.
You catch her, I'm filming.
Can I go? Can I go?
Yeah, good.
Uh-oh.
She's going fast.
Feet up.
Oh,
Easy, Katie.
That was fun.
you don't want to roll.
Well,
Okay.
oh, that was fun.
Shake the snow off you right away. Hey, here comes Daddy.
Chris, that was fun. Your trail.
It smells skunk. It's weird.
Yeah, I do too. I think that's because it's a skunk.
Daddy, put your feet up.
Turn around. Face down.
You gonna catch her?
I'm going back up. Dad, I just... I want to go sliding again. Whoa! Oh, no.
Oh, I didn't take that. Nice form, Jim. Here comes the skunk.
Yay!
I thought I taped that and I didn't.
Smell that skunk? Oh, look at those clouds go. Can you see how fast they're going?
Yeah.
You're scared?
I'm down right here. I'll slow you down a little bit. If you have to.
You going to what, Owen?
Yeah.
Correct. Go so he can go.
Maddie, come here. Madeline.
Just sit down.
Alright, yeah, watch out. I'm gonna...
Madeline,
Keep your feet up.
Oh my God. Watch out, Emma. Stop her! Oh, is that sun bright? Owen, you going?
Oh my god. Here, go over there.
Stay right here, man.
Emma, watch out so you can get a boot.
Adam, you gotta stay with your dad. Over here. Come down. I'm going.
Whoa. Down here.
Yeah, that's because it's skunky.